Dash cams are a great investment to make right now, whether you're looking for added security, peace of mind in case of an incident on the road, and/or the potential insurance discounts. These cameras are conveniently placed to observe the whole of the road ahead, so if you see or are involved in any sort of accident, everything will be recorded. What's even better is the technology of dash cams in the last decade have improved to the point where we can get amazing quality video to see every detail. There are so many great options available with various features and functions, so today we're going to be covering the top 3 4K dash cams that you should narrow your search down to. As always, you'll find links to each of the products we're talking about today in the description of this video so you can grab the optimal fit for your needs at the best deals. First up, let's talk about the Kingslim D4 4K dual dash cam. This camera is capable of simultaneously recording videos in front 4K and rear 1080p resolution, clearly capturing license plates and road signs. We found that the Kingslim was the most affordable and easy to use dash cam of all of the cams we put to the test, with an abundance of high quality features. You'll be able to use just one finger to control features such as parking monitor, G-sensor, collision detection, seamless loop recording, emergency video lock, and time-lapse video recording. You're also getting real-time location that's going to show you the driving route and driving speed. You can manage the driving route on your iOS and Android devices via the device-linked app. The Kingslim is Wi-Fi and cloud enabled, so accessing your footage is always just a few easy taps away. This device supports up to a 256GB TF card sold separately for recording 4K videos so you never lose any crucial evidence. This is a front and rear car dash cam that can record even when the car is off. That means 24-hour protection. Now, if you're living somewhere real hot like Texas or Arizona, rest assured your equipment will be able to withstand the blazing sun. The front and rear cameras use the latest high-temperature lithium battery built to withstand extreme weather. This heat-resistant car dash cam can operate smoothly in temperatures as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit and as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. One of my favorite benefits of the Kingslim is that it adopts the industry-leading Sony IMX335 Starvis sensor and high-silicon Hi-3559 processor. With super night vision, f1.8 aperture, and WDR technology, you can record stunning details even in low-light environments. With front 170-degree and rear 150-degree super wide viewing angles and 6-layer glass fixed focus lens, it gives you maximum coverage of the road and greatly enhances night vision, providing sharp, clear images and videos. All in all, the Kingslim D4 4K dual dash cam is a total winner from all fronts. You're getting loads of great and useful features at an incredible value. If you're looking for something more compact and discreet, you'll want the Garmin Dashcam 66W, featuring an extra-wide 180-degree field. This dashcam clearly captures important details in high-quality 1440 HD video in all light conditions if an incident occurs. It also provides driver alerts, including forward collision, lane departure, and a go alert to enhance driver awareness, which can be extremely helpful in high-traffic areas. If you say, "Okay Garmin, the system will automatically start or stop audio recording," take a still picture or start and stop the travel lapse video capture feature, making this an almost completely hands-free experience. Another feature I love is the automatic multi-sided sync, which allows you to play back picture-in-picture video captured from up to 4 dash cams in use at the same time, so you can see multiple points of view with the Garmin Drive app if an incident happens. This can be incredibly helpful in those situations. If you're street parking your car often, you'll love the parking mode that monitors your car's surroundings while it's parked and the engine is not running. It automatically begins recording if and when motion is detected. In order to use this feature, you'll just need to pick up a Garmin parking mode cable. This is also the perfect dash cam for new drivers, or let's say not the best drivers, thanks to its super helpful driver alerts. Driver alerts help keep track of vehicles around you. Forward collision, lane departure, and go alerts work to enhance driver awareness. You can even receive alerts for red light cameras and speed camera locations with subscription-free updates via Garmin Express. How cool is that? The Garmin Dashcam 66W is the perfect option for those wanting to expand their driving senses with a device that provides endless tools to enhance safety on the road. Lastly, let's talk about Thinkware's U1000 Dual Dashcam. The U1000 is Thinkware's newest flagship model and delivers sharp native 4K quality. It also boasts a comprehensive driver assistance warning system to help keep drivers safe on the road with uncompromised video coverage, courtesy of a 150-degree viewing angle, so rest assured you'll never miss a moment. Utilizing the super night vision technology, the U1000 is able to record impressive videos in low-light environments like dark roads and dim parking lots. The video resolution can also be downgraded from 4K at 30 FPS down to 2K at 60 FPS for smoother videos and making license plate reading a breeze. There's even an optional parking surveillance mode that will record events triggered by impact and motion. This is a feature that is so underrated. I can't tell you how often damage has occurred to my car without me even being present. Parking surveillance functions like this add a whole new level of security. Like with the Garmin, you'll just need to pick up a hard wiring cable for this feature to work. The U1000 also features a power saving function, Energy Saving 2.0. This service takes energy saving efficiency to the next level and increases up to 26 times the total duration of the Dashcam's parking surveillance mode. The Dashcam conserves energy by going on standby when entering parking surveillance mode and wakes up to record events triggered by impacts only. When in Energy Saving Mode 2.0, a radar module allows the U1000 Dashcam to extend its parking surveillance mode duration by reducing the power consumption. When a motion is detected by the radar module, the U1000 wakes up and gets ready to record. If an impact is detected, a 20-second video, 10 seconds before and 10 seconds after the impact, is saved in a dedicated folder on the microSD card. When no impacts are detected, the U1000 does not save the footage and resumes Energy Saving Mode 2.0. This device is even equipped with geofencing capabilities. Geofencing allows parents or even fleet managers to be updated on vehicles' comings and goings. The U1000 will send a push notification through the Thinkware Cloud mobile app if a vehicle enters or exits a pre-selected geographic zone. The radius of the zone can be set easily by simply tapping on the Google Maps display and selecting the desired radius from 100 meters all the way up to 600 kilometers. Users can set up to 20 different geofences. Thinkware's U1000 model is ideal for drivers new and old in large or small vehicles. It's another device that will cover all of your bases and is extremely easy to use. So those are the top 3 4K dashcams on the market right now, and I hope this video helped you in finding just the right option for your specific needs. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop those in the comments because I'll be going through and answering them. You guys always have some seriously awesome questions. Now, while you're down there, also tell me what other products you're on the hunt for. What devices or products should we cover next? Thank you guys for joining me today. Remember, if you like this video, let me know by hitting that like button, subscribing to Consumer Buddy, and clicking that notification bell to always be the first to know when we have fresh content.